3,
24 oras.
2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 24 oras.
By the answer.
Balik ka, Jim. 7, 24 oras.
Wrong.
24/7?
24/7.
Sige, our content for today is Rebus Puzzle Part 69. Rebus Puzzle. First. 5,
Ay! Understood?
4, 3,
Isa lang dang.
Oh, sorry, yun. Nakalimutan ko ani ay
1.
over the follow.
Oh, wrong. Next player, please. 5, 4.
She stood.
Wrong. Wrong ang she stood.
She stood.
Sige, next. Next player, please. 5, 4.
I stood, girl.
Next player, please. I stood, girl. 5, 4.
Overstood.
Next player, please.
First word na yakan. Woman no.
5,
Ay, gayo ya.
Girl.
4.
She's understand.
Wrong. Next player, please.
Understood.
Ah,
Over.
Overdose. 5.
Girl, overstood.
Wrong. Next player, please.
Girl in the mirror.
Misunderstood.
Ano, misunderstood di ay go!
Wrong understood ya?
Next.
Nagkabuta ka tatog single o married ba?
Lagi po yung mga. Pero analyze naman to, Kit. 5, 4,
Ha!
3.
Game over?
Wrong. Next.
Wow!
5, 4, 3.
Box over?
Next player, please.
Wala ba box?
Wala ba itong box?
Ay, wala ba itong box?
Babalik ko yan.
Ay, ato na balik na. Tito Mars.
5, 4.
Over, blank over.
Wrong.
Lover and Clover.
Wrong. 5.
Two over.
Next player, please.
Over to another.
Next player, please.
Ikaw daw!
Over, that's over.
Wala na.
Wala lagi.
Sige, isa last.
Twin over.
Wala naman ka?
Wala na eh.
Wala naman. Over and over again.
Hello!
Kaya ya.
Muli ka ginyo. Agin niya. Saya?
Kamu ramay madugang.
Dito ka tabagan eh. Hello!
5,
Balance lagi ni. Giwan.
4,
Balancing metal.
3, 2.
Experimental?
Ay!
Pati nga ng CSE.
Hala, kay mo kaya.
5,
Ay, metal. Metal.
Metal
5,
Usap ni abstract.
4,
Abstract daw.
3.
Ano sa tawagan ng outbalance metal?
Timbangan man eh, di ba? Oh, sige.
Timbangan. Way metal. Ay, timbangan na siya.
Oh, tapos, sa may tabo. 5.
Wing scale metal.
Ulit na to,
Sige, 5.
So ya, sentimental.
Arong, ha?
Centimeter.
Witty to witty.
The metal is heavy than others.
Ha?
The metal is heavy.
Ba ang uban ng words? 5.
Heavy metal.
Heavy ang metal. Correct. Mo na.
1,000! 1,000! 1,000! 1,000! Grabe, daliar nakakuha na eh.
Overweight. Metal man. Next!
Yes, mga pan! Dishwash. Ari na, oh.
Ano kay what niya, what niya, must. Sige, 5. 4. 3.
What you must.
Ano sa?
What you must.
Wrong. Next player, please.
What
5.
Ano ba paana diri?
1 word.
3.
Down must.
Wrong.
Wrong ya po niya.
Down must.
Kuwang ang down must. Sige, 5.
Kuwang ya?
Dagan kag isok, dagan kag idugang. 5.
Up
Four.
what? Down was.
Ano?
Up what? Down must. Ari kini ko kaniya. Ato na dito. To down must. To that must.
Ganun to.
Doon sa ka. To down
Ya,
must.
kuya.
To down must.
Oh.
What
Asabi?
is a must?
Lo!
Sakto? What is a must?
Ikaw lead.
Sige, 5.
Tumays.
4.
Down what?
Down what?
Ay, up what? Up what? Down must.
Ha?
Up what? Down must.
Baliha ang mga words. 5.
Wala baliha ko na.
Down.
Nana dito nga. 4.
What's up?
Ah, must down.
Must down.
Ha, sa?
Wala gito. What's up? Sakto.
Kuwang.
Ay. Dugol.
Uy, mas down may magyo. Mas mo.
What up?
Ah, putang i-goes.
Ha?
Putang i-goes.
Ay! What goes up and what must down?
Mas?
Must go down.
Mas?
Must down.
5.
Must go down.
Considered.
Must!
Or must come down. What goes up must come down.
Grabe. Makatawa magana consider pa yun.
Sige.
Asa de. What goes down?
Si Texter man.
Naman yung magnet eh.
Next.
Hala, 0.
Ah, sige, 5.
Naglibog si Kuya.
4. 3.
Truck on truck.
Wrong.
Contract.
Wrong next player, please. 5. 4.
Saya ha.
Asa man dapit ang asa man dapit ang on?
On.
5. 4. Ang answer kay kung asa dapit ang on. 5. Wala mo box kanina. Sige,
Truck
5.
on the box. Wrong mo niya.
Sige.
Keep on truck.
Wala, dapat pa dito lang mag truck.
Duha na niya.
Di, isa ra. Isa ra ka
On
truck.
truck lagi.
Ha?
Keep on truck.
Ah, wrong.
Ano siya ho? Truck.
Sige, 5.
Truck. Biloon daon.
Ha?
Biloon. Truck on truck. Truck
Wrong
on
next player.
bilo.
Next player, please.
Ah, nakita ka niya.
On truck.
Ha?
On truck.
5.
On truck.
3.
On tow truck.
Next player, please.
Wala! Truck is under arrest.
Sige, 5.
Huwag niya pumaki.
4.
On
3.
over truck. On under truck.
Kisa last.
Ako.
Ah,
On
sige.
over truck.
Ah, next player, please.
On under.
Sa next nga question.
Asa
On.
ba dapit ang on?
Ay, on below truck.
Asa mo sa duha ka truck ang on?
Nasa ibaw.
Ay, on
Ah, dire, di ba? Asa mo sa na side?
on left truck de.
Right. On the right track. Diba? Ito mo sa right track.
Kamaligo.
Sige, kabut. Next.
Pila kunog ka. H.
5. Sige, 5.
Unsay ko na nakakanong.
4.
Ha?
Oh, apel ang circle. Asa mo yung circulan? Na dito kan say 5. 4.
Under 8.
Throw
Through 8.
please.
Alam mo?
5. 4.
Ah, saya ha.
3. 2.
To AIDS.
Wrong next player, please.
Wrong mo niya.
Wrong. Dili. Basta kay ang circulan ra nara ang answer diya sa iyang circulan. Next player please. 5.
Kuan niya.
4.
Gay AIDS.
Parang ni Muffin. Parang ni
Masira ka sa buhay ko.
5.
First AIDS.
Correct.
1,000!
Kaya ang first man yung gisirkulan.
Ay! 500! Baka 50, 500.
100 man, 20 man mag. Ay, 100.
Ikaw ni Mark ni Dexter.
Extra
Next.
kinamay.
Ah, sige, ang clue kay, unsa ning word?
Emotion.
Oh, sige. Muna na dito ang kwan. 5.
Hala!
3.
Sama na, oy.
2.
Mixed emotion.
Correct.
Oh! Bagay! Yes!
1,000! 1,000! 1,000!
100!
Next player, please.
Long overdue.
Correct.
Long overdue.
Dili na lang kaya, dali ra mo tumag.
Sige na 1,000! Sige na 1,000!
Siyempre, guys.
Sige na lang ano ko 2020.
Siyempre ang mga sunod, guys.
Kaya mo. Kana, saan na iya?
5.
Oh my gosh!
I-time sa tanan niya.
Hindi.
24 oras.
2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 24 oras.
Why the answer?
7, 24 oras.
Wrong.
24/7.
24/7. Ako gigihap gani.
24/7.
24/7.
Ah, maro ay.
20 ikaw, 20 ikaw, 20 ikaw, 20
1,000 to.
1,000 bay.
Okay, pagkita ko tawag guys sa kamaro si Kuan.
Di. Di.
500, lumayas ka na.
Next. Asa na word?
Person
Personality?
Oh, naunsa ang personality? Sige, 5,
broken.
4.
Broken personality.
Wrong. Next player, please.
Tito. O sa personality ah.
Oh, naunsa man ang personality na 5.
Natunga.
Oh, so inside other terms sa broken or natunga ang sa may laing term 5. 4.
Person liability. Siguro na ba nagawa eh? Person disability.
Next player, please.
Naitawag sa
5,
Ha?
4,
Heaven?
Even.
The
3.
even the personality is broken. There's a healthy
Di ba na
mind.
sentence, babe? Wrong. Next player, please. Ikaw lagi puli ni Aisan, no? 5, 4.
Person even utility.
Next player, please.
Personality.
Ay,
half
person.
liability.
Oh,
Person.
pwede other terms sa half. 5,
Oh,
4,
see?
3.
Million.
Zoom ay ka ng half sa half.
Wrong.
Manayaw.
Person with disability.
Oh, next player, please. Sige. So, naunsa man ang personality na?
Disabled.
Na S. Na S.
Naskalat.
5,
Ay, na-scatter.
3,
Personality.
4.
Scatter personality.
Next player, please.
Split
Sige, next player, please.
personality.
Sige, 5,
Sige ha.
4.
Ha. Slap personality.
Next player, please. Slap. Split personality. Na-split ang iyong personality, di ba? Last? Sige. Ang clue kay nasa color sa E. Sige. 5.
Reaction.
Wrong. Next player, please.
Napagkara sa color eh.
Nasa color?
Mas si color. May color ng reaction. 5.
Kaya mo na kami. For reaction.
Wrong. Next player, please.
Yan, sa na yan. Meron lang eh.
Oh, apil ang E. Apil ang E. Ang color sa E o ganang action. 5.
Kasi maguna yung color.
Oh, 5. 4. 3.
Read the action.
Ha?
Reduction! Reduction. Read the action.
Kuwang. Next player,
Read the
please.
action.
Next player, please.
Red Duterte.
Ay, read the action.
5.
Ready act.
Kuwang ha, kuwang.
Red for action. Red for action.
Kuwang.
Red A for action. Red for action. Red A.
Asa?
Red A for action.
Final answer. Final answer.
Okay. Red for action.
Arong. Sige, sige, sige. Kisa mo yun? Ay, ko
Red A for the action.
Ah!
Ay, for the
Tarong nagbasa.
Red A.
Tarong nagbasa.
Tarang ko na.
Red A for action. Red A for action. Asa ako ya, last.
Sige.
Sige, Jay. Red A for action. Action. Red A for action.
Considered, considered na. Read E.
Tapos dito sa red E.
It was.
Ah!
500.
Pansit, pansit.
San Francisco, Pango, Pacific, Humboldt,